3, 2, 1. Let's go. This adventure, Sarah and I are driving the 500 miles up the Dalton Highway with one goal in mind: to make it to Prudhoe Bay and a swim in the Arctic Ocean. This journey begins relatively easily, as the first 80 miles are on the Elliott Highway from Fairbanks. But as you meet the Dalton Highway, it immediately turns to dirt, as a quick reminder that this will not be a smooth sailing journey. Shortly after hitting the Dalton, we ran into road construction, where a worker told us that Adigan Pass was extremely muddy and recommended that we use chains. Even though we didn't have chains, we pushed onward. The terrain slowly shifted as we passed into the Arctic Circle. The trees gave way to slow-rolling tundra hills. Made it to Coldfoot, halfway. We filled our gas tank and then drove a little ways into the Brooks Range to find a scenic place to fill our bellies. Spring roll. Wow.
This is luxurious.
And since this was one of the few places of the entire Dalton Highway that has actually smooth paved roads, we had to break out the longboards. Just slowly chugging along right now. There's the first hill climb going up towards Adigan Pass. Our goal for tonight is to get up and over the pass and then camp out somewhere around Galbraith Lake area. We made it up the pass with just a few scratches along the bottom of the car, and I was glad to have that worry past us when a new one started to arise. As we got closer and closer to the top of the pass, we could see more and more snow in the mountains, and the possibility of potentially getting snowed in the next couple days started to become an actual fear of mine. Which is crazy because I was just up here 2 weeks ago and it was completely green, and now everything is gold. Wow. How does it feel? We made it to Adigan Pass.
It doesn't feel as good as when I pooped in the Arctic Circle.
Oh. have arrived at our campsite right here. We were gonna set up the tent on the tundra, but it is sopping wet, so we're gonna squeeze in right here on this little corner. No. No.
We didn't want this.
The tent broke. It's still holding, but she's bending way down. This piece. After a restless night of getting brutally harassed by the wind, we decided to find a calmer place to make breakfast.
Cute.
Is buzzing?
Mm-hmm.
Hell yeah. We are back on the road. It's 12:30. Our shuttle departs at 3:30, but we need to be at 3. So we have 2.5 hours to go, 103 miles. Should make it, no problem. Roads are looking smooth. Should be smooth sailing. As we got within 60 miles of Deadhorse, the road turned into smooth pavement once again, and this gave us one less opportunity to break out the longboards. We made it. We made it. We made it. We made it, Bo. We made it to Deadhorse with plenty of time to spare before our shuttle left. Getting on the pedal. Now, you can't actually drive yourself to the ocean because the land near the ocean is owned by the oil rig companies, which is why we're taking this shuttle bus. And it's crazy driving into Prudhoe Bay, because for hundreds of miles, you've seen nothing but tundra. And now, all of a sudden, there's this giant industrial complex that looks otherworldly, as if we're on a moon base, as everything here has the sole purpose to serve oil drilling operations. Wow, the Arctic Ocean. I think this is just a pool party. This man's going in. God damn. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, he's just going. He's just running so far. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
I honestly feel really nice and warm.
Girl, shut up.
With our mission complete, there was only one thing left to do, and that was to make it back home. We found a much less windy place to camp for the night, and to tackle Adigan Pass first thing in the morning.